Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is bewilder. It's pronounced B-will-der, and it's spelt B-E-W-I-L-D-E-R. Bewilder. Think be and then wilder. The word bewilder is a verb, and therefore it is a doing or action word. Bewilder means to cause someone to become confused. For example, you might bewilder your family by being silly or by performing a magic trick. Riddles and puzzles can often bewilder people. For example, here's a riddle for you. Before Mount Everest was discovered, which was the highest mountain in the world? Have you got it? Well, the answer is it was Mount Everest. Don't worry if you're feeling a little bewildered right now. Mount Everest was the highest mountain even before it was discovered. Bewilder can be changed into the word bewilderment, which is a noun. For example, the phrase, "they looked at him in bewilderment," means they all looked at him in a confused manner. Bewilder can also be changed to bewildered, which is an adjective. For example, he had a bewildered look on his face. This describes the confused look. Bewilder is defined as causing someone to become perplexed and confused. Bewilder's synonyms include confuse, baffle, mystify, bemuse, perplex, puzzle, confound, and flummox. Antonyms include calm, clarify, clear up, comfort, enlighten, explain, explicate, and help. See if you can bewilder someone today by learning a new trick or riddle. Use the Mount Everest riddle I just told you and see if you can bewilder your friends. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.